This one has been a long time coming. Hey guys, Jonathan here with TechWizTime, where I create technology tutorial and review videos. In this video, I'm going to be having a quick look at the Pirl charger. Now this charger in particular is really interesting because it's got 4 USB ports that deliver 2.7 amps across each port. But unlike other USB chargers that are out there, it delivers this consistently, so there's no drop in amperage if you plug in another device, say for example. So this Pirl charger would be perfect for someone, say, who wants to run 4 Raspberry Pi 3B pluses and wants them all to have the maximum power that they can have. Now the reason why I'm getting this video out so quickly is because this Kickstarter finishes in the next 2 to 3 days, the 12th of July to be exact. And unfortunately, if you've seen my channel, I've been off for the last month. I've been a little bit sick, so I'm okay, but I really wanted to get this video out so you could actually jump over to the Kickstarter and check it out for yourself. So a couple of interesting things about the Pirl charger is that it is made in the USA. The Kickstarter had an initial goal of $8,000 and this was smashed in about 9 hours. And currently at the time of me recording this video, it was at over $100,000, which means that you get the option of having it not only in black, but also in red if you like. Now there's a couple of different tiers on the Kickstarter page. There's the Pirl charger itself on its own without the AC adapter or with the AC adapter. So one of the interesting features of this is that it actually shows you and lights up which port is active, and also will give you, if you press this little button here, how many watts it's currently distributing, which is really handy if you want to find out, okay, how much am I using across the board there, or when is it spiking? Now this charger isn't for everyone. It is aluminium on the top and the bottom, and the board itself is very complex, if you can see on screen here. There's been a lot of thought put into this board and this charger itself. So it is for those out there that want consistent power across all 4 USB ports without any drops. So if that's something that you're interested, I'll leave the link down in the description below for the Kickstarter. And I'm sure this is gonna be of interest to quite a few people out there, especially if you're running multiple Raspberry Pis. So that's it for this very short review. I hope you liked it. I'm slowly getting back on my feet again, so I will be returning to more tutorials and reviews shortly. So make sure you subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below if you want to say hi or anything like that. I've been away for a little while, so apart from that, older videos here if you haven't checked them out already. And as always, imagine, learn, create.